Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I have not reviewed this, and it's a USB solar adapter. See the USBs? Oh yeah, and that's what the name of the item is. Made in USA. I call this the true actual. This is a true actual solar generator. This is what a true solar generator looks like by charging a device like this right here, for example. And it's hold on, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's charging right now. It's putting in 4.5 volts with 2.9 amps in this power bank. So it's a 100 watt solar panel, 17 volt solar panel, and the sun is poking out right now. So I'm on the trampoline, which I know it's a little weird. Trampoline doing a YouTube review, but yep, it's putting in power. Oh yeah, and once the fan is cranking up pretty high, that means it is in good sunlight. So yeah, that the fan is definitely going pretty quick. It's going very fast because the sun is poking out, which means I'll get more volt, a little bit volts, the 5 volt charging on Type C, which is more effective. That's what I'm using right now. Only using one USB out of the 4 USBs, except one of them is messed up, or one is slightly. But yeah, this is a DIY build because this is a 3D printed, and also I'll have the link for this item in the description, so that way y'all be able to get this device. And it works really well. I mean it's charging this power bank. I'm just doing a little demonstration, and I think somewhere close as normal. It may take a while for it to charge, but if you're like patient enough. So depending how much this thing is outputting, it just varies depending what device it needs to charge off this solar panel. So yeah, plus I've been waiting too long to do a review on this because I didn't think about it, or I forgot about it. But yeah, I will have this item link in the description. So yeah, and plus I got this item before the price has rised up, so I got it a little bit before. So I'm not gonna say what it is right now. You have to check it out yourself. So this used to be like around $20-some, and but I don't want to risk spreading any confusion. Confusion. But yeah, this is what almost everyone needs. At least I would say almost. But this may not be for everybody. But hey, this is a basic setup to be able to charge something basic. This is what a true solar generator looks like, with the batteryless, and the fan. The fan here tells you, like, kind of gives you an idea of how well the solar panel is outputting with the sun. Sun is poking out even more. So there's a little bit of clouds. It's still going, and yeah. I mean, with this size power bank, this may take a while, because this thing has at least about 30,000 mAh of capacity. So, but yeah, this was just a demonstration, and I have various of power banks, and it may be able to charge this. Something more, smaller battery, more basic. This one runs a little bit. It charges a little bit on solar, and this is what the name of the item though too. So yeah, a solar Bluetooth speaker, and Bluetooth, something basic. It will work better with basic items because it'll be much easier to charge. Something a larger battery, larger power bank, for example, may take a very long time for it to charge. But if you had it like sit out here for like several hours. But yeah, it is going. It may be slightly slow, but it just kind of depends. Varies. But yeah, it may charge pretty easy with these things that has smaller battery. in them. Yeah, here's these three. These large. I mainly got the larger power banks out here, so larger ones. Yeah, here's this as well. Power bank. 20,000 mAh. I don't know if that's true, but yeah, it's longer though. It's longer, but I've been using it. It's good. It's pretty cool. So there's the name of the model, and has 4 USBs and then 2 input. This one has a little bit more output and then a little bit 2 input. This one has like different variouses of charging times. I don't know. But yeah, this is a basic power bank. A little bit more crazy on the output, but it can also do power pass charge. So, but it may do like some kind of limitations on doing a power pass charge. Oh yeah, this is what the name of the brand is. So for getting just a basic traditional power bank, and here's a much bigger power bank. 30,000 mAh. It's kind of scratched up. The labeling is fading away. You only won't be able to see the label very well, but it just says power bank on it and on the back, but with no labeling. But yeah, this one is pretty big. I'm not gonna try to take it apart because the fact I'd rather leave it because the fact. And also, this one has 3 inputs. You can choose which different third parties cords you can charge. It has a Type-C, a lightning cable, and the micro cable. So, as well as the fast charge right there, and then the standard charging. So yeah, right now this one has 12%. Has right now 12%, and I know this tape looks weird because the reason I have it is a screen protector. The tape on it. I took the tape off of that one because it was falling off. So yeah, tape, and it's getting old. Yeah. So this is what almost everybody needs. Like, I mean, for reals, this is serious, serious stuff. So, I mean, the bigger power banks will take a while for it to charge. You need to get like something like this kind of power bank, because 1, it has a smart display, and 2, it has the voltage readout, as well as the amp readout though too. Those things may help you a little bit. So, if you know how good the solar panel is doing. Plus, this may have maybe some power loss. I don't know how efficient it is. I mean, it's hard to tell. Except it will charge this smartphone that I'm recording pretty decent. I mean, I don't know what the adapter power loss is. It's hard to verify. But yeah, the fan may use a little bit of power just to keep the device and the device and parts inside cool. Mainly the technology parts inside. But yeah. Yeah, this thing has been waiting too long. I have not done a YouTube review on it, so I'll have this main item in the description below if I can find the link on it for this thing. So yeah, and pretty much basically what I've been doing out here is I did camp out here last night, so I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, there's some footprints right there. Oh man, yeah, footprints right there. Because of my shoes right there, basketball shoes. Oh no, this thing's falling apart right there. Oh no. These shoes didn't last long. If they're starting to get holes on them on the bottom already. Oh, and by the way, that's that brand right there. I mean, these things are really nice shoes. They're plastic hard right there. And then, I don't know why it's worn out faster right there. Of course, I've been using them a lot. That could be why. Well, anyways, I do also have the 10-watt solar panel, just to charge mostly the smaller electronics. This is what the name of it is right here. Got it on Amazon. It was pretty cheap last time a while ago when I got it, so I don't know how much it costs. I may have to look at the history of it. of when I got it on Amazon. But anyway, I did get that Bluetooth speaker on eBay last time when it was pretty cheap, and I'm glad I jumped on it before the price got it before the price gotten high. Speaking of gas prices going high, what is anybody gonna do about a power outage, huh? Just a question. What are you gonna do? Like, are you gonna try like store gas for your gas generator, or maybe gonna work on getting enough money for it to get this. Nah, I know it's not supposed to talk about money all the time, but get like but it's just an idea, okay? Not it's a really cool device, and I have sorry y'all, I haven't done a full like review on this. All I did is just post it on Facebook when I got it, and then just pretty much leave it at that. But I haven't done a full on review on this, and then maybe camp with it outside in this trampoline. Oh wait, it actually gained power though too, 40%. Last time I looked at it, it actually gained a few power. I don't remember what it is, but I'll have to look back in the video later. But it is filling up this power bank, or this smart solar power bank that has all the readouts that you need. So the two important ones is the voltage and then the amps, which is nice. So that's what it's cool about this power bank. I'm really glad somebody made this power bank. I kind of want to give them extra credit, a little bit of extra credit for making that power bank. This specific one right here. This specific one is my go-to. This power bank is my go-to whenever I go explore and just hiking and walking around, and just not have to rely on being on the AC outlet adapter all the time. So this is mainly my go-to power bank. And then once it's dead, like if it's out of power, I switched on to this one, and it's a much bigger. It's about 10,000 mAh more than that power bank. So of course it's smart solar power bank. That's mainly what I call it, because it has all this smart built-in within the device. It's been holding up pretty good. I have to look at like how old it is, like look at it when I got it on Amazon, as well as maybe some of the few other ones. But yeah, this one's been holding up pretty good. I don't know what issues I've been experiencing, except the port right there just fall out, like the port cover to keep some dust and water going in. That's why it has that that water thing protection. But I can't be playing with this thing out in the rain, or dunk it in the water, because there's gonna be some water and stuff going into the ports where it's gonna shorten out the electronics on the inside. But other than that, this has been good. And remember, this is what a solar generator truly looks like. I know it's a small scale, but this is what I would mainly call this thing a solar generator. Now, if it's a battery, I'll call it a portable power station. It's a little bit easier to call it. But yeah, mainly with this scenario, it's working more effectively. But the question is how efficient it is the key. But it's definitely putting in power. Like it went up to 40%. So it just kind of varies. It's right now 2.8 amps and 2.9 amps. So if 44.5 volts. So it kind of varies. Oh, it did gain 1%. 41%. So it is actually working. Like the power is actually going in. So yeah, if you ever have a power outage, and depending how many solar panels you have, you should get like maybe 2 to 4 of these for maybe every single solar panel that you have. Maybe. I'm not saying get it now, like right away at this minute, but if the gas prices are really high, and if you can't get any more gas for your gas generator, this may be right here the solution to your problem, for just mainly communication. At least communication. The rest of the stuff is not really a big deal. Except I know y'all don't want your food spoiled, or you need a CPAP machine, or a battery-powered wheelchair. I mean, some people can't walk. I'm not gonna discard on that one. But if anyone can do walking, like walking is normal if you're like in good health. This thing right here, will be perfect to do this stuff almost every day. It's the truth. Almost every day. You come outside, bring the solar panel out, bring an adapter, and charge a power bank. That would work with this. Would work properly for it. Plus, I'm using Type C, so that's why it's a little bit more effective to charge. As well as this, have this in your backpack. Your backpack setup depending on the weather. If it's raining, I will not be doing the setup outside, because this will end up getting fried up if it was raining outside, because there's a bunch of exposures. But yeah, that's the review, and I'm recording now. Goodbye, and let me know what y'all think about this device. It's a 100-watt solar USB adapter is what it's called, or what I would call it. But it's actually a solar generator USB adapter. There you go. A solar USB generator adapter. If that, I don't know how to do that, but it's there. It was there right in front of our faces. No, okay, I'm playing. But anyway, this setup right here was I don't know when this thing came out, but this was a DIY 3D printed, and I bought it from somebody else on Amazon. So I don't know how to build this, and plus it would cost a lot of money for the parts, because right now stuff is expensive right now, because of what's going on over the because stuff has changed and all that in our reality. So I'm not gonna fully say what's going on, because there was already stuff being posted everywhere about it. So yeah. But yeah, anyway, this is serious right now. To get solar before this and that. But anyway, saving my battery stations for now, and let me know what y'all think, and then we'll be camping out here and do some testing. I also would have to go inside and get some food and snacks if I need to. Yeah, we'll be camping out here with some old electronics out here. I may bring a few more, because the fact I'm getting solar right now, USB solar with the USB 100-watt adapter. So, end the recording now. Bye-bye. We'll be gone, and we'll be back with another video. Bye-bye.